I brought my baby out, and we're going to get back to carburetors right now. My battery went low on this recorder, so I had to recharge it. Anyway, your jet needle, which is not your main jet, this you can buy different sizes if you want to fine-tune your carburetor. You don't have to. You can get close. You can also buy different slides. This is a D slide. Excuse me. Different cutaways. Inside your carburetor, right down in the gullet of it, is where the main jet sits. This pin sits right in the main jet, like this. Just like that. Alright? Now your jet can be changed. The basic theory is you can upgrade all of your pins and your jets and everything, and if you're still running lean, then you need to get a bigger carburetor. Now you can go too big, too small, but what you need to do is get a base carburetor which you know works. So I know that this 30 millimeter works with a standard setting. So this is too rich, and I'm going to turn it back to normal and see what happens. When you're running too lean or too rich, okay, there are two different sounds, but you have to be very, very good at listening. Your lean sound will be a kind of a, they both sound like wah. One of them is where you're running too lean, you don't have enough gas going into the cylinder, you're starving it. The other sound, which is very close to that, which means you're flooding the cylinder with too much gas. You're going over or under the 14 parts of air per 1 part gas. That's why these carbs are just a metering device. There are millions of them. Don't take these into some shop and have some guy tell him, act like he's a surgeon, he's gonna save you, and he's just going, God, I'm gonna rape this customer with no gasoline. No Vaseline, sorry. I just want to make this for all the guys out there, young guys, young people that don't have a father, they don't have an older brother, they don't have anyone they can ask. And they don't want to ask because they don't want to be laughed at. So I'm here to just give you my input. I don't know everything, but what I do know, I know for free. And you can't beat free. DIOSpeedDEMON.